In this session on using the FPIB Permit Holder Portal, we look at how to submit an application for an EATA renewal. Once logged in and you have reached the home page, click on the Permits tab at the top menu bar and click Applications/Renew. Under Open Applications, you will see the license that is due for renewal. Click on the blue arrow box and click Edit. Respond yes or no to the questions under the Additional Details section. If you have responded no, this means you should not be submitting an application for renewal, but an application for a new permit. If selecting yes, continue and read through the declaration statement. Confirm whether you have read the suitability declaration. If you have anything to declare, you will be asked to provide any documentation you wish to provide. Respond to the Employment Details section. If required, respond to the Application Employee Details section. You can add a list of employees and provide their license details by selecting the Create yellow button. Then provide the details of the storing locations of any extinguishing agent. Click the Create button to create a list. This is a quick example, but your application should include the company's specific address. Also enter the contact person name and telephone and hit Submit. Then provide the application's equipment details and create a list. Select the equipment type and enter the make, model, and serial number. Confirm whether you are able to ensure that extinguishing agents are handled only by persons who are licensed to do so. Apply your signature using your trackpad or mouse and click the small square box to attach the signature. Add all your supporting documents for your application by selecting the yellow Add Files button. When you're ready to submit your application for renewal, check the Submit Application box and hit the Save button. Please note, once submitted, you will no longer be able to edit your application. Once submitting your application for renewal, you will be able to see the status of your application under the Submitted, In Progress, and Processed Application section of the portal. Stay up to date with the progress of your application by checking the Status Reason column. And that's how you can easily submit an application for renewal using the FPIB Permit Holder Portal. As always, if you need further guidance, you can reach out to the FPIB team for support.